If you've been wanting a non-toxic air fryer, you seriously need to see this because I am obsessed with this glass air fryer. One of my favorite things is that the baskets are completely glass, so there's no worrying about toxic coatings, plastic smells, or weird chemicals heating up with your food. It also comes with 2 different size glass bowls, so I can make smaller meals for myself or larger family-sized portions, depending on what I'm cooking. And actually being able to see your food cooking is such a game changer. I don't have to keep opening the basket to check on things anymore. And the 8 built-in presets are super convenient, and I've used them all. I've made fries, salmon, veggies, and reheated leftovers in this already, and everything comes out super crispy with way less oil. I didn't realize how much I would love this until I started using it daily. It's quiet, easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and I love knowing I'm cooking in something that's PFAS and PFOA-free. And let's not forget to mention that it comes with these oven mitts as well as a silicone mat for storage that's non-slip, and also 2 lids that fit the containers for storing leftovers. The fact that you can cook, serve, store leftovers, and clean everything in the same glass container makes this so convenient. If you've been looking for a healthier air fryer upgrade, this one is absolutely worth checking out, and I appreciate the brand gifting it to me to try out.